Hi everyone, it's Andrea over at Sewspire. Hope you're doing well. I'm here to give you a little preview of tomorrow's sewing project. It's the last project in our ongoing clutch series here at Sewspire. We are going to be making a double zip half moon art clutch. So there are two fully lined zipper pockets on each side of this. And this design allows this clutch to be draped over a handlebar, a chair, think a stroller, a shopping cart, what have you. And then you tie it at the base and you can secure that in place. You can fashion that in a bow or a knot, whatever works for you. And then this can sit right on your item of choice. I designed it to hold my fun Jane Davenport watercolor pens. It's perfect for art supplies. It could be great for cosmetics in the bathroom as well. You have a lot of options with this design. If this looks like something that you'd be interested in learning how to make, join me tomorrow at 12 noon Eastern Time on the Sewspire YouTube channel, and I will show you step by step how to craft this half moon clutch. I'll see you there. Bye-bye, everyone.